Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you the live video monitoring feature on the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We're in the mobile app right now. This is the setting you'll be at when you have your device set up. And on the right-hand side of the screen, we have a little camera icon. We can get to our live video monitoring right there. I also want to show you, if you go to the device, that we have a camera icon again towards the center right-hand side of the screen. We can get to the live video monitoring features from that button as well. So pick and choose which one you want to go to. Once you select it, it's going to take a second to load. We need to enter our activation code. That'll take us into this live view right here, where we have some tips, tricks, and suggestions like using Mark to Go, as well as whole house cruise and video status prompts. That can be accessed from that little question mark up at the top. Then we have our photo gallery there. We have our microphone button for two-way talking, so we can initiate that to listen in and to chat. We have our camera icon, take photos and videos. Down bottom right-hand corner, the little lightning bolt, that's to send it back home to charge. Left-hand corner, that's manual controls for driving. Then we have our map that we can select, and we can do basically the touch and go to that particular spot, or if you want, we can do our cruising. So let's do that first. We'll go here, 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 and here on a little whole house cruise. So let's start cruising. We're also going to initiate some video here. It'll record in 60-second increments. But we're cruising, and each spot that we pick, it's going to rotate 360 degrees before it goes on to the next area. So it's driving right now. Pretty cool. Just using our map. It's at the spot, it's going to rotate, give you that full view of each room. Before making its way on to the next location. But we have different lighting temperatures around the house. So you're just getting a feel for the lighting environment. It does a really good job. Very clear. Pretty cool. Whoop. That was awesome. Little fender bender. Making our way to the kitchen. Now for fun, we'll wait till it drives up here. We're actually going to pause it. We're going to go back to our map. I'm going to pick one more point instead. So we're going to cancel that task. We're going to send it into the bathroom. because it's dark in there. So you'll just see another different low light or no light lighting environment. But look at that. So the camera's really adjusted. You can see how it's adjusting to the light there. So just finished. It's on standby. Now we'll send it back home to return to charge. Take another video as it makes its way back to the dock. But that's it. Very simple and straightforward with Dreame's live video monitoring. Really a nice, cool, and convenient feature to have to make this more than just a vacuum and a mop.